All right, here are 3 reasons why investing in single family is actually riskier than investing in multifamily. Real estate's amazing, right? You buy all these properties so that you become a bajillionaire, right? I'm sure that's what you've heard from probably just about every financial guru out there. Well, my name is Tyler Devereaux, and I'm one of those financial gurus. Kind of, okay? On a serious note, though, there's obviously a lot of money to be made in real estate, but which way is the best for you? That's the question. Did you know that there are over 15 ways to make life-changing income in real estate? 15, swear to God, that's no joke. So which one is the best for you? Okay, the 2 most common or most talked about are single-family investing, buy and hold, fix and flips, or multi-family investing. Now, I've been able to participate and make money from both of those types of investments. But in this video, I'm gonna help you understand which one is my personal favorite and why. All right, the best way to invest in real estate is, well, the best way is actually whichever way you prefer. All right, listen, I know that you want me to just give you the best answer, right? But you have to decide which one is best. My goal, I'll tell you personally, my goal was to make the most amount of income while not only maintaining my quality of life, but improving my quality of life. Money was and is important, but time is way more important. So what I can tell you is this: most people choose single-family investing because they think that single-family investing is safe. That belief is false. Here are 3 reasons why investing in single-family is actually more risky than investing in multifamily. Number 1, dude, you end up doing all the work. There's not enough money on a single-family property to justify multiple partners or to justify management companies even, which means you end up doing everything by yourself. In fact, you stop me if you've heard this before. A person wants to invest in real estate, so they save up all their money, they buy this property that they can afford, and then they rent it out. They spend too much, they barely make enough to cover the mortgage, if they're lucky, and then they sell the property because being a landlord frickin' sucks, right? On the flip side, though, multifamily properties do have enough money to justify multiple partners and management companies. Not only that, but the bigger that we scale and grow in multifamily, we actually have on-site employees and management companies to take care of any problems when they arise, which is not only better for us, but it's also better for the tenants, which is key. You take care of your tenants, your bottom line will always be taken care of. Now, number 2 is that you cannot scale with single family. With single family, because you end up trying to do it all, you limit your ability to scale. With multifamily, it's the property manager's job to deal with the heavy lifting. When we identify a problem that needs to be fixed, it's their job to fix it. That allows us to sit back and enjoy the income coming in and have the time to expand our portfolio, which means instead of focusing on getting a tenant into a property, we're focusing on getting another property into our portfolio, which allows us to scale. And listen, in turn, allows us to make way more money and improve our quality of life. All right, now number 3, single family actually reduces your chance of winning. Let that sink in. The better that you can manage risk, the higher your returns will be. Okay, real estate's a risk, it's our job to mitigate it. So to increase our chances of winning, we do not have to increase our chances of losing. Instead, we need to focus on increasing our chances of winning. That seems so simple to me, but I say that because bigger properties don't mean more risk. It's just the opposite. By having more units, we actually increase our chances to win. If you have a single family rental and somebody moves out, you're now the one stuck covering the mortgage payment. Now on the flip side, if I have a 100-unit property and I have a freaking mass exodus of 20 people that move out all at once, it's not even a blip on the radar because I focused on increasing my chances of winning. Other ways that you can increase your chance of winning: partnering with experts in the industry, partnering with property management companies, partnering with investors, all of which is almost impossible with single family because there's not enough profit on a single family property to justify those people. Most people buy properties that they can afford, which typically means they buy small properties. Now, Let's say, not that this would actually happen, okay, but bear with me. Let's say the economy goes south because of, I don't know, a global pandemic, and you lose your job, and your tenants lose their job. The job that you had to help you afford the property and the job that they had to help them pay their rent. Now you're in jeopardy of losing the property because you invested in something that you could afford instead of in something that gives you a better chance of winning. That's where the risk is, my friends. So you end up doing all this work. You can't scale, and single family reduces your chances of winning. We need to think bigger, my friends. So again, what's the best way to invest in real estate? Well, it's the way that will get you to the goals that you have, those goals that hopefully you've defined. All of those ways, those 15 ways, all of them are going to require time, effort, or money. But you have to define what you want if you're going to determine which one to pursue. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to leave a comment below, okay, about what you want real estate to provide for you. And I'll say this too, if you're currently investing in real estate, I'm curious to see what kind of real estate you're pursuing right now, and if that is providing you what you want. And if it's not, I'm more than willing to give you some advice on how you can change that. More than willing. That's my job. That's why I record these videos, okay? Listen, thank you for watching this video. Get out there and start your passive income pursuit. If you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button, that like button, you share it with a friend so that you can make sure to see more videos just like this one. Aloha.